Hello, people of Pune. If you are looking in a play area near a Kondwa or an IBM, then here this is the right place to visit. Coconut has recently launched its branch in the NIBM, and it's very huge and nice with a lot of activities to enjoy. You can see here there is so many things like a pretend play to the ball pit and the slides and many more activities to do. Here the kids will really enjoy their 90 minutes, and you will not also feel like the time is not getting over because there is so much to do and the time is less. So here my kids were really enjoying doing each and every activities. Here the Yusran was sitting in the car and brought in the car to the Myra mechanic to repair, and she was also really enjoying to do this pretend and play act. And there were so many more lot of like this activities. Here they became a firefighter and enjoying their dress up. They have kept the costumes and everything, which is making the play very feel like a real. And also there are some more things like this paybill play where the kids are really enjoying doing the so many activities, and this trampoline park made their day. They were so much happy to jump, slide, and just cuddle everywhere. And this is very, and when the kids are enjoying, what could be more better to the parents seeing them enjoying so much of the things. And here Yosran was so happy to do this thing. He was very happy to do the like this trampoline act. He was very happy to jump again and again. So he was like one more time, and he was not able to stop doing this. He was so happy. There are many more lot of things also. He was running here and there because kids, there is so much free space where the kids can play. We 90s kids must have played the Super Mario on the joystick. Here Myra was playing in a Super Mario in the real, means like in the real time. It was very, very nice to see her enjoying our 90s favorite game. And this donut slide was something just amazing. Myra was little scared over here, but then also she was happy. So there is so many things to enjoy over here. Your kids will really feel happy. Our 90 minutes were over, but still Yusran wants to go back again. So I had to take him out. Here is a huge cafeteria also where the parents can relax. So thank you so much for watching.